Good morning, student. Today our 12th standard biology topic is human health and disease. The World Health Organization, that means WHO, defined health as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being are not merely absence of disease. Without disease, a person will be living. It is called health is wealth. Okay, wow? Then when people are healthy, they are more efficient at work. Healthy people work is efficient. Okay, wow? Then health increase the longevity of people. Then reduce the infant and adult mortality. Person hygienic, regular exercise and balanced diet are very important to maintain good health. Okay, wow? Then common disease in human being. Disease can be defined as a disorder or malfunction of the mind or disease. That means different disorder, any disorder or malfunction. That means the function is decreased. Okay, wow? It will be mind level or body level. Okay, wow? If you affected a fever, the body level function is very low. Okay, wow? The normal time you are function doing a very good manner, but in the affected time your body function is decreased. Okay, it involved a morphological, physiological and physiological disturbance which may be due to environmental factor. Some environmental factor also disturbing. Okay, wow? It is a cold condition. Some of the disease are distribute, and in a summer condition also some of the disease are affected. Okay, the disease can be broadly grouped into two types. First one is infectious and non-infectious. Now see what is infectious disease. Okay, infectious means it will be transferred from one person to another person. It is otherwise called communicable disease. Best example nowadays, best example is corona. Okay, how the disease transmitted to one person, transmitted to through air, water, food, physical contact and vectors. Okay, vector means bacteria or virus. Then disease causing pathogen may be virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, parasite, helminthus parasite, etc. Okay, these are the pathogens we see: virus, bacteria, fungi, protozoan, parasite, helminthus parasite, etc. These are the diseases. Then infectious diseases are common and everyone. Infectious diseases are common and everyone suffer from the such disease. Okay, all the people suffer from the such disease. Sometimes or the other, most of the bacterial disease are curable, but all viral disease are not. Some infectious disease like AIDS may be fatal. Okay, non-infected disease are not transmitted from an infected person to another person. Non-infected means these are the disease non-transferred from one person to another person. In origin, they may be genetic, cystic fibrosis, that is nutritional, vitamin deficiency disease or degenerative. That means heart attack, stroke, then arthritis. These are the disease not transfer from one person to another. Among non-infected disease, cancer is one of the major causes of death. Okay? One of the disease, that name is called cancer. Okay, but it is also non-infected, but it is this is a major causes of death. If affected the cancer, that people, most of the people are by death. Okay, then bacterial and viral disease. Okay, then bacterial disease. The number of bacterial species is very high. Only a few bacteria are associated with human disease and are called pathogenic bacteria. Okay, such pathogen may be emit toxin. Some of the pathogen, bacteria pathogen may be emit toxins and affected the body. Toxin means visathanmai it will be affected in the body. Common pathogen bacteria and the bacterial disease are given the table 7.1. Some of the bacterial disease. Okay, bacteria spread through air, water. How the bacteria are transmitted? Through air, water, or by inhaling the droplets, aerosols, or even by sharing utensil and dresses with an infected person. Typhoid fever can be transferred by vital test. Okay, then viral disease. Virus are smallest intracellular obligate parasite which multiply within the living cell. Outside the living cell, they cannot carry out the characteristics of the living organism. Virus invade a living cell. Virus living in a living cell, then forcing break out the cell, killing it, invade the cells in the body, causing disease human being. Okay, the rhinovirus causes one of the most infective common element called common cold. Okay, rhinovirus mostly the common cold virus name is called rhinovirus causes. Okay, rhinoviruses. Then viral diseases are generally grouped into four types. Basics of the symptom produced in the body organ. First one is Pneumotropic disease, that is respiratory tract infected by influenza. Then dermotropic disease, this will be affected the skin, and substance this affected the chickenpox and bacillus. Okay. Then third one is viscerotropic disease, that means blood and visceral organ affected by a yellow fever and dengue fever. Then fourth one is neurotropic disease, that is central nervous system affected by a rabies. Okay. Some common viral diseases human being are given the table 7.2. See the table 7.2 and 7.1. Then protozoan disease. What are the protozoan species are affected in the human being? Okay, ba? About 15 genera of protozoan live in the parasite within the human body and causes disease. Amoebiasis is also called, that is the dysentery, amoebic dysentery or amoeba colitis, is caused the endemic of Historia. The protozoan name is called endemic, which lives in the human large intestine. It feeds the food, parasite and bacteria. Okay, ba? It is live in the large intestine of the human being. Okay, ba? In the infective stage of the parasite, the name is called tropozoid, which penetrate the wall of the coast intestine. Okay, ba? The infective stage at the time, the name is called tropozoid, which penetrate the walls of the coast intestine and secrete the histolytic enzyme causing ulceration, bleeding, abdominal pain and stools with the excess mucus. The symptoms of amoebiasis can range from diarrhea to dysentery with the blood and mucus in the stomach. Okay, at the time diarrhea and with blood also come. Then cow's flies, that is called Musca domestica, act as a carrier for transmitting the parasite from contaminated places and water. Okay, the water also contaminated places means kali. Okay, African sleeping is caused by the Trypanosoma species. Trypanosoma is generally transmitted with the blood-sucking testy flies. Okay, 3 species are Trypanosoma causing the sleeping sickness in man. Number 1 is Trypanosoma cambinsi is transmitted the Clostridium balpalis and causes cambina or Central African sickness. Okay, then second one is Drosophila rhodesianus and transmitted by Clostridium mauritii causing, the name is called Rhodesian or East African sleeping sickness. Then third one is Drosophila cruzi is transmitted to the bug called, the name is called Tritoma magista and causes Chances disease or American trypanosomiasis. Okay. Then Kala Asar or visceral leishmania is caused by the Leishmania denovani, which is transmitted by the vector Plotomus, that means sandfly. Infected may occur in the endothelium cells, bone marrow, liver, limb, gland and blood vessels of the spleen. Symptoms of Kala Asar are weight loss, anemia, fever, enlargement of the spleen and liver. Then malaria is caused by the different type of Plasmodium species, such Plasmodium vivax, Plasmodium ovale, Plasmodium malaria and Plasmodium falciparum. Plasmodium lives in the RPC of human in its mature condition. It is called trapezoid. It is transmitted from one person to another person by the bite of the infected female. The name is called Anopheles mosquitoes. That's all, student. Today homework is bacterial, viral and fungal disease. Okay, what are the bacterial, viral and fungal disease? Thank you, students.